Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS P153G. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS P153G won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can arise from various factors, such as a faulty power supply, motherboard issues, or even a drained battery. If left unresolved, these problems can worsen, potentially leading to more extensive and costly repairs down the line. To tackle this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply if necessary. First, ensure your device is powered down and unplugged. Begin by laying the laptop on a flat surface and removing the battery. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back panel. Remember to keep track of your screws, as they can be easily lost. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips holding it in place. Now that the back panel is off, locate the power connector on the motherboard. Check for any visible damage or loose connections. If you find a damaged connector, you will need to desolder it carefully. If you're uncomfortable with soldering, this might be a good point to consider professional help. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If the power connector seems intact, you may want to check the power supply itself. Unplug it from the motherboard and test it with a multimeter, ensuring it's delivering the correct voltage. If not, replacing the power supply will be necessary. Once you've resolved the issue, it's time to reassemble your device. Place the back panel back on, ensuring it fits snugly, and reinsert the screws. Make sure to apply even pressure when tightening the screws to avoid stripping them. Reinsert the battery and plug in your device. Now, power it on to verify that everything is functioning correctly. If the laptop powers up without issues, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Dell XPS P153G. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure that you regularly check your device's power supply and keep it clean from dust and debris. Avoid using the device on soft surfaces that may block ventilation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.